How to delete a comment on Weverse. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting a comment on Weverse. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Weverse application and make sure that it's updated to its latest version available. And also log in with your specific account. Now once you're logged in, go ahead and find the artist or the community where you posted a comment. And once you find the post where you have commented, go ahead and search for the comment. Once you find it, tap on the three dots beside it, and there you will see two different options, that is copy and delete. Tap on delete, tap on OK to confirm to delete this comment from this post, and you'll be done. So this is how you can delete comment on Weverse. But before that, you need to remember the username of the artist if you're not following them, or the community if you just viewed and left a comment over there, so that you can visit their profile or their post and delete the comment that you made. And you no longer want them to be visible in that post. So that's it for this video. This is how you can delete a comment on Weverse. So if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.